Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Crash Test Channel. We decide to compare the most important 11 Chinese full electric vehicles in the Euro NCAP crash test. The next vehicle is the NIO ET5. NIO's ET5, a high-tech electric sedan, delivered top-tier crash test results. Its frontal offset crash performance was particularly impressive, with minimal cabin deformation and excellent protection for passengers. The ET5's extensive use of lightweight, high-strength materials ensures both rigidity and crash energy absorption. In addition to its crash test performance, the ET5 offers a suite of active safety systems, including autonomous emergency braking, lane departure prevention, and eCall, further enhancing its safety profile. With that being said, see you in the next video where another Chinese vehicle will be crash tested. Stay tuned to our channel for the next crash test results and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.